This is the Glenbrook Memory Care and Assisted Living Community. It is equipped with KamiCare sensors to detect and prevent falls and keep its residents safe. Sarah Fields is a caregiver at Glenbrook. We're going to add her to the Fall Alert Receiver list. In the KamiCare app, we enter her name, email address, SMS, and phone numbers she'll receive the alerts on. Using the Rules tab, we're going to modify the afternoon notification rule and add Sarah as the first caregiver to receive fall alerts during the afternoon shift. She'll receive email, SMS, and phone alerts. We can see that Donna is second in line. Tanya is the third receiver, which means that she'll be alerted of a fall in case Sarah and Donna can't respond. The next day, the KamiCare sensor detects a fall in the Glenbrook community in room 100. The KamiCare sensor immediately sends a video clip of the fall to the KamiCare Expert Center for validation. Upon verification, Sarah receives a mobile notification and alerts via phone, SMS, and email. Sarah acknowledges reception of the alerts and immediately tends to the resident in room 100. Sarah can view the fall in the KamiCare application by selecting Fall History and clicking on the latest fall. Sarah can see what happened before the fall and understand the root cause of the fall. The resident in this case was trying to get up from the wheelchair and lay down on the bed. The community can also see how caregivers attend to falls. They can address contributing factors, install more personalized fall protocols, and adjust residents' care plans accordingly.